In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up a WordPress website off-site in an automated fashion using a free plugin. This process is straightforward and will take you just a few minutes, even if you've never done it before. Let's get started by heading over to WordPress.com. This is where everything begins, the home base, if you will, for managing your WordPress site. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials. This will take you to the place where all your site magic happens, the WordPress dashboard. From here, you can manage every aspect of your website. Now, once you're on the dashboard, locate the plugins section. This is an essential part where we're going to bring in some new functionality for our backup process. Click on Plugins. It's time to add the plugin that makes backing up your site a breeze. Click on the Add Plugin button, which should be right in front of you once you're in the Plugins section. What we're going to do next is search for the plugin named Updraft Plus. It's a highly recommended, trusted plugin with thousands of downloads thanks to its reliability and ease of use. Simply type Updraft Plus into the search bar. After doing so, you'll see Updraft Plus appear in the search results list. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Having clicked on Updraft Plus, you'll want to install and activate it for your website. There's a button for installation. Click it and wait for a moment as it installs itself. Once it's done, you'll see the Activate button. Make sure to click this too, because installation without activation won't make the plugin ready for use. Now with Updraft Plus installed and activated, you have the tool needed to back up your website. While we won't dive into all the settings in this video, you can explore options like scheduling your backups or choosing where to store them off-site, whether it be Google Drive, Dropbox, or others noted in the plugin settings. And there you have it. Your WordPress website is now set up with a reliable and automated off-site backup solution, ensuring your data is safe and securely stored remotely. Remember to regularly check on your backups and adjust any settings as necessary to fit your needs. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guides you smoothly through your website management journey.